So what is Microsoft Power BI? Let's go ahead and take a look. Microsoft's Power BI is part of Microsoft 365 and also part of the Power Platform they offer, which consists of Microsoft Power Automate, Microsoft Power Apps, and the Power Virtual Agent. Business intelligence has been at the forefront of most day-to-day operations for a long time now, providing reporting and analysis to the organisation to make better decisions. So let's just talk about Power BI and some of the features it offers for you and your organisation. So with Microsoft Power BI, you can now easily connect to, model, and visualize your data, creating memorable reports personalized with your KPIs and brand. Get fast AI-powered answers to your business questions, even when asking conversational language. And also make the most of your big data investments by connecting to all of your data sources with the scale to analyze, share, and promote insights across your organization, while maintaining data accuracy, consistency, and security. So with Power BI, we can now work together easily on the same data, collaborate on reports, and share insights across your business. This could be from Microsoft Teams to SharePoint. And why not connect everything together? By using Microsoft Power Platform, we can put Microsoft Power Apps and Power BI together. In this example, you can see where we have a Microsoft Power BI tile placed into a Power App and connected to a report. This makes it much easier for you to see your data on the go. So if you're interested in learning more about Power BI, call one of our experts today who would be happy to help.